All right, guys, SlotKingChris here at Crosswinds Casino, Park City, Kansas. Lightning Link Heartthrob. Played it before. It's been good to us. It's got a $24,000 grand. Let's see if we can hit it and win some big money. Let's play. Guys, Lightning Link Heartthrob. We're going to start out smaller, $6.25 bet, and see what we get. Work our way up from there. Oh my. Looking for 3 moons or 6 hearts. Woo, it's trying to give them to us. Come on, moon. And the diamonds are wild. You guys have probably seen me play this before. All right, let's go to 10 cents. That one's not doing much. 4 of them. Looking for 6. Looking for 6. Oh, that's pretty good. 30 bucks. Take it. All right. Let's get some big ones. Come on, man. There we go. All right, we need some multipliers here, or hearts. Big multipliers. Oh, no multipliers. All right, come on now. What's terrible bonus? Need something here, last one. Oh man, that was not good, guys. Not a good bonus, but it is a bonus. See if we can get another one here real quick. You guys probably heard me say it before, but sometimes bonuses bring bonuses. 3 more. Almost. All right, let's try dollars this here. Didn't hit much of a bonus on that one. Oh, we didn't even, oh. Try a few spins at this denom here. All right, we need, that isn't paying nothing. Still at $5, or $2, sorry. Looking for 3 moons. All right. Just need a bonus. 3 more. Wow. Man, there's some big hearts coming up too. All right, let's get something here. Moons, moons, moons. 14 bucks. Come on, moons. Moons. Oh, that's good. Jacks all the way across. 154. We'll take it. Oh. That was a good line pay, though. We got there. 2 more. 6 of those hearts. Try a quick spin there. Oh. Played this on Valentine's Day and really hit it big. That was awesome. So I had a question, and we're going to get to that question here in just a minute. Let me find it here on my other phone. Okay. I was asked, where is it here? Let me find it. I'm getting there. And I don't know if I've been asked this before. Here it is. When you go to Las Vegas, where's your favorite place to stay and why? Well, for me, that's pretty easy. I like to stay on Fremont Street because everything is right there together. You don't have to walk very far to do anything. A lot of casinos within, a couple of blocks. Another reason is I think the odds are better on the gambling. The Strip doesn't pay as well, I don't feel like, as it does downtown. And there's just so much to do. And I usually stay at the Golden Nugget. I have a very good host, takes very good care of me. Oh man, that was $500. I have stayed at the El Cortez before. Again, that is where I stay and why I stay. So thank you for the question. And if you guys have a question, you can leave it in the comments, and I will answer it for you. One more moon, there we go. All right, see, the question of the day always brings a bonus. Never fails. Always brings a bonus. So let's get something big here. Okay, that's good. I think that's 240 bucks. Yep. Oh, waste, look at that. 3 more. Come on, give us a bonus right here. Right here, right here, right here. All right, $268. We will take it. Now maybe we can get the heart bonus here. We need the heart bonus. 3 hearts. Or 6 hearts, sorry. But yeah, the question of the day, thank you for that question. And again, leave it in the comments and I will answer it for you. And if you have a slot you would like for me to play, put that in the comments also, and we will get her played for you. Even if it's something I've never played, oh, that's good. 300 bucks right there. That's a good line pay, guys. Yeah, 300 bucks, that's great. We'll take that. Even if I haven't played the machine before, I will gladly play it for you. So I like trying new machines. That's twice we've got 5 of a kind. So this phenom seems to be doing pretty well right now. Still would like to get the hearts bonus. Got it. All right, that's good. Not anything big yet. 100 bucks is our biggest, but guys, the minor is 2,500 and mini's 500. How about a minor one time? Just one time. Minor, baby. I mean, the mini's 5. I'll take that too. Oh, enough of those little ones. Enough of those little ones. Oh my God. Look at all the little ones coming. Big one. something here. Still not a bad bonus. 260. We started with 403, I think. So we're up 500 some bucks. So that's good. Let's get another bonus right quick. Bonuses bring bonuses. Let's get one right here. Love the ball bonus. Love it. Or heart. I can't call them balls because most games they are. But might have to switch denoms here in a minute. Gotta give it its backup spins though. Alright. Come on, hearts. 2 moons. Oh. Do a quick spin here. Oh. We're over halfway there on all of them. And 2 moons. Alright. Let's get a bonus right quick. Need a bonus. Big, beautiful hearts bonus with a big one on there. 2 more, 2 more. Wow, that would have been good. All right, got it. All right, let's make this a big one. A lot of multipliers for hearts. Oh. Look at that. Come on, baby. Oh my goodness. Not a good bonus. Not a good bonus. Let's go to dollars here. See what we can come up with here. Come on. All right. How about hearts? 3 more. Oh, so close. Come on, hearts. Come on, hearts. Quick spin. Nope. Come on, baby. 3 more. Man, it was trying. We haven't got one on dollars as yet, so we should be due for this, I would think. Come on, bonus. Come on, bonus, 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 bonus. All right, let's go to 10 cents, $7.50. Oh, there we go. All right. Now maybe we get some multipliers here. No, No, come on. What in the world? There we go. That's a little better. A lot of kings. Oh, come on. No, $100. Not bad. $100. We'll take it. All right, back to back it here. Oh, 4 of them. One more move. There we go. Now let's get 6 hearts. 6 hearts. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's huge, guys. That's really good. That is $1,275. That's a good one. Now let's get a bonus and a bonus. That was beautiful. One more spin. Okay. All right, guys, hand pay break. We'll be right back after the hand pay break. 1402.50. Guys, she cleared the machine. She's gonna go get the hand pay, so we'll do a few backup spins. Hold on a second. Guys, she's reset the machine. We're waiting on the hand pay, so we'll give it some backup spins here. See if we can hit another one right quick. That was a heck of a line bonus right there. Okay. Sorry, I had to sign the little iPad thing for her. Said it's her first hand pay she's given today, so I told her I hope it's not the last. Let's keep them coming over here. All right, so, again, we're doing a few backup spins. And then we'll try a different denom and then probably another machine because we don't want to give up. But this machine can be hot. Oh. All right. Oh, come on, Moons. I thought you were coming right there. Okay, 2 more. Oh, miner's 500, guys. $500 miner. Thought we had it. Wow, I thought we had it. Fast spin. Dang it, dang it, dang it. We were so close. So close. We haven't had the 6 hearts in a while. Let's get those. Oh, 5 of them. Are you serious? Wow. Well, they're trying to come. Two more. All right, guys, got the hand pay, so we're good. Back to it, back to bonuses, there we go. All right, we need something big again. multipliers. Let's get 6 hearts. 6 hearts. 6 hearts. 6 hearts. Come on, 6 hearts. Okay, okay. Oh, that wasn't as good as I thought it was. 6 hearts. Let's get 6 hearts, baby. 6 hearts. Oh. Well, we're due for not a good bonus there because we hit pretty good. So we're going to probably all right, let's do, we haven't hit anything on dollars yet, so let's hit something here. Do a fast spin. Come on. Have not hit a thing on dollars yet. Come on, baby. Moon, moon, moon. Boy, the dollar denom just has been cold. Oh, there we go, finally. All right, let's get 6 hearts. 6 hearts. Come on. 6 hearts. Okay, that's not bad. 6 hearts. All right, 300 bucks. Finally got something on that dollar deal. $300 bonus, we'll take it. I feel like the 6 hearts got to be coming. 6 of those. Let's go. I mean, we'll take the moons, but let's get 6 hearts right quick. All right. 6, 6, 6. Man, where are you hiding? Fast spin. Now comes the bonus. 2 more. Wow. Ah, so close. There we go. Wow. Where are your friends? 2 more. 5 of them. Oh, Lordy. Okay. Enough of this messing around. 5 of them. We need 6. 6, 6, 6. Where you at? 6. Oh, come on. 6 hearts coming up. This spin. Ah. 9s. 2 moons. Come on, hearts. One more. Oh my goodness gracious. Boy, we're getting 5 along, but they are showing their face. Come on, hearts. I know you're in there. Man, that was crazy. We got them all, ooh, 30 bucks. We got them all right off the bat. Man, it's like they're wanting to come though. Moons? And we'll take moons, but I feel like the hearts are due. Come on, heart. Halfway home that time. Two more. Got it, finally. A lot of little numbers though. It's all right. Let's get that minor 1250. That'd be good. Little majors in there. 593. Oh my goodness. Little bitty. A lot of little bitty ones. Not a big school. Come on. Boy, these are all little. Oh my gosh. This is what you call a small school, guys. Oh, there was a big one, a couple big ones in there though. Well, 30, 50, 150 bucks maybe. I mean, we'll take it. I've seen bigger. I've seen bigger ones. How about a back-to-back? Back-to-back. Started out good. All right. All right, let's go back to the $2 deno and see if we can hit something here. Uh-oh. Come on, hearts. Come on, hearts. Hearts. Wow. Okay. Come on, hearts. Oh my goodness. $500 mini right there, guys. Just so close. Moon. No such luck. Fast spin. Come on, fast spin. I mean, moons. Come on, heart. I know you're in there. Oh, 2 moons. Okay. Halfway home. Here we go. Here we go. 3 more. Okay. 40 bucks, we'll take that. Moon. Heart. I like this $2 denom because the minor is 2,500. Which would be amazing. 3 more. 4 out of the 6. Ain't bad. Moon. Come on, moon. Moon, moon, moon. No. Come on, moon. Heart. 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 Oh, we got it. Thank goodness. Now we need a word. How about a big old word? Oh, come on, not small ones. Come on, big and minis in there, 500. Give us something big here, guys. That's not bad, not bad. All right, $350 bonus. Backup spins. Oh my. Got 5 of them right out of the chute. Quick spin. Got it. Quick spin did it. Quick spin did it. Come on, baby. A lot of multipliers are hearts. Okay, okay. Moon, moon, moon. All right, let's get something here. Last one. 126, we'll take it. Some backup spins here. Come on, moon. Come on, moons. One more. Wow. 6 hearts. Quick spin didn't work. Oh, 4 of them. Where are your friends? Oh, 2 moons. Wow. All right, guys. Well, we started out with 403. We're cashing out for 407, but we had the $1,390 hand pay in that, so I'll say we did pretty good. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Leave me a comment. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.